Hi, my name is Carmen and I'm a video editor. Today I'm going to show you how to do a painting effect on Premiere Pro. First, drop your footage onto the timeline. At the bottom right corner of the project panel, click on the square sign, search for adjustment there. Drop it onto the track above your footage. Then go to Effects panel, search for Fine Edges, drag it onto your footage. Go to Effect Controls panel. Under Fine Edges, go to Blend with Original. It will adjust the thickness of the lines. I like to adjust it to 65%, but you can play around with it. There's no right or wrong way to do it. Go to Effects panel, search for Posterize. Adjust it to about 12 to 15. Now that's our painting. I hope you like my video and I'll see you again soon.